Hello, brothers and sisters. Hope you're having a very, very beautiful day today. You are beautiful. You are awesome. You are fantastic. You are magical. You are brilliant. You are smart. You are vibrant. You are wholesome. You are everything. Everything that is righteous and just beautiful. And believe it, because you are an extension of Source. And Source, the prime creator, God, would not have created any mistakes. It doesn't create mistakes. So hopefully you really feel it in your heart and it really uplifts you and it really, really just gets you going because you deserve it. You need to be uplifted. You need your self-esteem to always be peaking, priming. And, you know, within this body, within this experience, you can do anything, anything, absolutely anything beyond just putting your mind to things. It is just amazing how much you can create without you needing to involve the mind to create anything. You are an extension of creation. So you are just that much more able with great abilities and great, great potential and literally limitless. Literally limitless. We've just been limiting ourselves for too long, and it is time for you to just shake it off. Do some meditation, clear your mind. I've made many, many videos on this, and just coming to your true self, coming to your space of pure clarity, pure conscience, and grounded, not in woo woo la la land, making everything, love and light, but actually grounding the love and light. So when you're out in the world, you are like literally like what I do. I'm out there in the world just like saying hi to everyone. Some people, yeah, they're gonna think you're like, whoa, I don't even know that guy. Why is that guy saying hi to me? Or they'll just keep going. They won't even acknowledge you. And so it's okay. You just keep doing you. You just keep shining your light. You just keep being your true, most authentic self. And you will always be okay. You will always be in high vibrations. And even when people are, subconsciously in a bad state and they're projecting negative energy and that they're not even aware that they're doing that. You can read that, you can pick up on that, and you can shift their energy, you can shift their attention, you can help them out in a time that they're in need. And it becomes a normal thing. It becomes who you are. It becomes a natural thing to always just be in a good state, in your good vibes, protected, fully grounded, and literally fully protected, fully like with so much discernment and vigilance that you are self-aware. You are fully awakened to who you are here in this moment right now, in the present. The power is in this moment right now. And the universe is always supporting you. I'm always supporting you. We're always encouraging you. We're always pushing the energy of love, an energy of abundance, an energy of bliss, an energy of happiness to whoever's there to receive it. And it is actually something that they don't receive. It is something that just awakens within themselves. And we come into this symbiotic relationship of this divine connection, and we start to create on that level. We start to create a heaven on earth, literally that way. It's not no woo woo, like crazy talk, new agey. What I'm speaking is common sense. It's common sense. It's just not so common because we all know what's going on. Not everybody's, you know, being their true self. To make it simple, no one's being their authentic self. Everybody's running programs and habits and whatnot. So when you start to have natural, real, heart-to-heart conversations, things just spark, things just move, solutions just come, heaven gets created, and you are already in a state of heaven. You are already always good, you know? Just people can't get to those levels because they're still holding on to their personal self, or um, all their expectations, all their things that they, worked for. It's, they don't want to let go of any of that, so they're still invested. They're still invested in their ego. And even spiritual people, spirituality, um, the ego can play those roles as well, and it's hard to catch yourself there. You think you're evolving, and you think you're doing good, and you're trying to better yourself, and sometimes it's the mind, you know grabs you and says do this and do that, and they'll so you start to follow the personal self to do the spiritual work. So it's it's a lot going on, but that's why I'm saying you're beautiful. You can do anything. I believe in you. I know how, your true self, who you are. Some of you come from different star systems. Some of you are like angels here that are actually chose to be here to raise the vibrations of the world. Star seeds, empaths, light workers. We are all here, and most of you guys are remembering who you are, and I hope I've been able to spark that magical light in you to help you raise your vibration and be in your true self-consciousness and awareness, so that you are ever free, ever bliss, and ever happiness, and just ever your true self. Now, also want to say one thing more, because I've been getting a lot of messages on this one thing specifically. And before I say that, I want to say there's many paths, there's many ways to the top of the mountain. And it just depends on where you are at the bottom. You can be on the east side of the mountain, the west side of the mountain, north side, south side. So why am I saying this? Because the top of the mountain is reaching God, or the divine, or the prime creator. And each side of the mountain is different parts of the world. So there's many paths to the top. And you can be Buddhist, you can be Hindu, you can be Christian, you can be Muslim, you can be, Jewish. I'm just saying the top ones that come up, and, many other ones. And you can be no religion and still be a spiritual person, and still connect with God and the prime creator. Now, I say this because of what I just said earlier, that I've been getting a lot of messages, primarily Christian, and I love Jesus. I have a cross on my back tattooed. So Jesus is my, Lord. He's my man, but so is Buddha, and so is Krishna, and so is so many people that attain these levels of divinity that we all are, and they awoke to it. So the reason I bring this up is because, they put this whole, it's only that way, it's only that way, and it's only that way. But then they forget, they're judging that, oh, hey, let me judge you to tell you that it's not the way you're doing it. It's actually this way. So you're immediately, just by doing that, contradicting the energy of love. And I'm just going to say one verse, and you don't even have to read the whole Bible after this verse. This one verse pretty much just explains what Christianity is. And if you believe in this one verse, and this one verse only, then you are a true Christian. You are a true Christian, a true Catholic. And this one verse is 1 John 4:8. And what that verse is those that do not know love do not know God, because God is love. That's it. That's it. So you're going to tell me that it's only Jesus and only this, and forget all these other ones, and you're going to go to hell? Well, show me the love as I'm showing you the love. That's it. So all is love. I always say it. All is love. Everything is love. Everything. And I'm not saying because you're make believing everything in love. I'm saying it because you are grounded in this pure essence of who you are, that you're not judging nobody. You're not in competition with no one. You're not expecting nothing from no one. You're not holding anything, towards no one. You're just open, free, accepting, unconditional love, whoever you are, whatever color you are, whatever ethnicities, they're not even real. They're just labels and ways of the mind and programs. There's just more programs and habits. We're all just spiritual beings having a human experience. That is it. It's that simple. God is love. It's that simple. So, I love you guys. Namaste. Amitabha. Peace be with you. Om. Blessings.